Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make characters talk to each other on Character AI. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Character AI account, which of course I have done right here. Now, if you do not have a Character AI account, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. The first thing that you have to do is to launch your browser. Now, once you launch any browser of your choice, at the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type better.character.ai and it's going to take you to the official website for Character AI. Once you get there, at the top right corner, you're going to find sign up button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a fantastic time on character.ai. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to make characters talk to each other on Character AI. It's just a very simple way of saying how to add different characters into a group so they can communicate with each other. So how do you do that? From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to see a few options here: home, feed, create, chat, and community. So go ahead and click on create. Here you're going to have an extended menu that says create a character and create a room. So go ahead and click on create a room and it's going to open up to this setting. So right here, let's set this up so that we can of course create our room. So which name do you want to give the room? Let's say digital enthusiast. All right, and then add characters. Just click on the drop down menu here and then select the characters. So I have created characters already. All I just need to do is just select the characters. You can select multiple characters. So here are my characters that I created. That's Mac, that's Boss. So this is Glory. Okay, that's Superman. I don't want to add Superman, so head right here and I want to add Angel and Glory. So these are the characters that I created. And then room topic is let's talk digital. Okay, so sure about that. So let's talk digital. So go ahead and click on this button that says create it, and you're gonna see that the group will be created. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection so that you can have a free flow of settings. So you can see the characters are already sending their messages, and once one sends, the other one's gonna send. So Glory has sent, Boss has sent, the next person is going to send, and the next person is going to send, and all of them just keep sending messages and responding to themselves. So let's say let's talk about this. Let's talk digital, and then all of them are just going to be communicating with each other, and it's just going to be really fun this way. You can just sit back and relax and see them communicating with each other, and isn't it just beautiful? That's it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.